What's going on, family? Black Finish checking in. Just dropped off the staircase, so getting it out here. I still have a couple more things. I got the plate up there established, but I still have a couple more things to do. But I wanted to go and get the staircase out here, so that way you can see the next process that's going on with it. So just checking in, let you know what we got going on. Finished taking the stickers off of both of the units. That's what I had going on today. Take the stickers off so that I can be able to prep it for priming and painting. So that's what we're doing today, getting the next stage, getting closer and closer to summing it up, getting the hog on. So the cafe is coming on along. Just wanted to show y'all, give y'all a small look update and walk around, especially from the end cap. Give you more than an update what's going on, so that way you see what we got going. We got a few more things we got to do, but it's almost summing up. Hog on.